If you are in need of a reliable and experienced land surveyor in Chennai, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise in land surveying and their commitment to providing accurate and precise results, Scon Design is the go-to company for all your land surveying needs. Whether you are a homeowner looking to build an extension or a developer planning a large-scale project, their team of professional surveyors will ensure that you have the necessary information to make informed decisions. Scon Design India Private Ltd has been serving clients in Chennai and the surrounding areas for many years. Their extensive experience in the industry has given them a deep understanding of the local landscape and regulations, making them well equipped to handle any land surveying project. They are committed to delivering high-quality services and meeting the specific requirements of each client. As a land surveyor in Chennai, Scon Design utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and advanced surveying techniques to deliver accurate and reliable results. They employ a team of skilled professionals who are trained in the latest industry standards and practices. This ensures that their clients receive the most up-to-date and precise information regarding their land. Scon Design offers a wide range of land surveying services, including boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and more. They work closely with clients to understand their specific needs and provide tailored solutions to meet their requirements. Whether you need to determine property lines or assess the suitability of a site for construction, Scon Design has the expertise and resources to assist you. One of the key advantages of working with Scon Design is their commitment to professionalism and customer satisfaction. They strive to exceed client expectations by delivering accurate results in a timely manner. If you are in need of a skilled land surveyor in Chennai, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and experience in the field, they are well equipped to handle all your land surveying needs. Whether you require a boundary survey, topographic survey, or construction survey, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the knowledge and tools to get the job done accurately and efficiently. As a land surveyor in Chennai, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of precise measurements and detailed analysis when it comes to land surveying. They utilize state-of-the-art equipment and advanced techniques to ensure accurate results. Their team of highly skilled surveyors is trained to handle various types of surveying projects, both large and small. With their attention to detail and commitment to quality, Scon Design India Private Ltd is known for delivering reliable and trustworthy surveying services. Scon Design India Private Ltd is not just another land surveying company in Chennai. They take pride in their professionalism and dedication to customer satisfaction. They strive to exceed client expectations by providing timely and efficient services. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor their surveying solutions accordingly. Whether you are a homeowner, developer, or government agency, Scon Design India Private Ltd is committed to providing you with accurate and reliable surveying